pizza sauce. And the best part about this recipe is it's barely a recipe because we are literally gonna make it in the can. So I have some crushed tomatoes and they're a little bit saucy. So I'm just gonna like drain off a little bit. Okay. Adding 2 teaspoons of oregano, a teaspoon of basil, a teaspoon of salt, and 1 little garlic clove that I kind of chunked up a little bit. And honestly, you guys, this is all we're gonna do. We're gonna blend it right inside the can with the immersion blender. It's always a little nerve-wracking when Stephanie gets the immersion blender out. But we're just blending up the seasoning, the garlic with the tomatoes. And honestly, that's it. So you get kind of a nice chunkiest sauce. It's a little thicker because we drained off some of the tomatoes. Just gonna show you.